Hmm. I try to get down to the stream, and I'm scoping out a place to walk so I don't have to kill myself doing it. It's a little closer here. Ah! Shit! Goodness, whoa. Ah! Oh, gosh. I don't have my hiking boots on. I'm sliding all over the place on these dead leaves from last fall. Ooh, it's pretty down here. Oh, I don't know. I might not be able to get back up there. Hold on a second. Let's go backtrack this way. Ouch. Oh, I hope my tick spray works. I'm going to be loaded up with ticks. Ticks and talks. Oops, wait a minute. Shit. Sorry, I keep swearing. This is not rated PG. This is rated. She sometimes says the S word when she's killing herself trying to get back to a stream. Okay, now what? Seriously? How am I supposed to get down here? Better yet, how am I supposed to get back up here? It's a good question. Oh, I hear something. Hey, where is it? Sounds like an eagle. Anyways, you're walking the same way I'm going down this hill. Ah! Oh, that's going to be exciting getting back up. Anyways, here's the stream. Look. So pretty. I'll let you listen. It's the babbling brook. Because it's babbling. Like I sometimes do. I was up there. Okay, and it came way down here. So it's going to be fun. Oh, look, there's animal prints. Do you see them? It looks like raccoons because there's 5. Check this out. Like tiny human hands. They have 5 fingers just like we do. That's so weird. Maybe that's why they can open locks. Probably. Anyways, isn't it pretty down here? See, now I could probably go over to that tree. But how would I get back up? I don't know if I can get back up over there on that side or not. Maybe. Probably not holding the camera. Anyways. The water. I'm going to stick my hand in it to see how cold it is. It's probably like freezing. Very slippery on this mud. Oh yeah, that's cold. My hand. There's some cold water. I wouldn't drink it. God knows what the hell's in it. My footprints. Okay. I think I'm going to pause this and put it back in my purse. Hi. Why is the light on? That's weird. And try to climb up that hill over there. Turn it off because that's wasting my energy. Yeah, that's better. We don't need that on. To get back up to the other trail. Oh, this is going to be fun. See, that's where the old bridge was. It got knocked over by that tree. And they never did fix it. So we have a new bridge that's way over there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's way over there. But we're going to try to get back up to the tippy top here. So let me put this down. Oops. Helps to pause. I'm back up. Here he is. And there's the stream way down there. So we're gonna go back to our car and maybe, boy, it's really squishy over here. Go bike riding, but maybe not. I don't know. I do have to find a job for tomorrow, and so far there's been nothing. Climbing all over this stuff is just like exhausting. Okay. Up. Turn it around. Oh shit. Okay, how did I get down in here? I don't remember. Ah, crap. Bullshit. Sorry. Ring again. This is the fun stuff that you get to do when your knee heals, Annalay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Pause. Alright, I'm back up on the main trail. I almost killed myself back there. I went to step on a tree root to push myself up. It was totally rotted. My foot fell right through it. Fun, huh? Yeah, that's a good way to get ticks on your legs. Yuck. I did spray heavily, so hopefully that'll work. Okay, we're almost to the top of the hill. Woo! Out of breath. What was that? I don't know. Anyways, this is where we're at. Give you a shot of the side. So, really pretty back here. These start growing really yet. Little tiny green things and blossoming. Trees don't even have any things on them. Last shot. It's called Ravine Preserve for a reason. I was down on the ravine, but there's a stream that eventually goes down that way to the lake, and I know that for a fact because I followed it partially there, and I know where it comes out at. So there's my car. Oh gosh, my car's way down there. Okay, I forgot I can't park over here, so tell me. Guess where I had to park? Way down there. So, anyways, I'm gonna say goodbye. This on YouTube when we get home. Bye, Pier Cove Sanctuary. Pier Cove Ravine Sanctuary. Trust Sanctuary. Jeez, long word. Bye, everybody else. See ya.